Ready to inject some serious motion into your text and learn how to make the coolest wave text animation in After Effects? Okay, let's dive right in. First, create a new composition and then select the text tool, type out the text you want to animate, get creative. Now, select your text layer in the timeline, go to the Animate drop-down menu and select Position. This adds a position animator to your text. In the animator parameters, expand position. From here, we can change the position of the text in the range selector 1 section. Select the offset parameter. This will allow us to dictate where the animation originates. Let's create the wave animation. Set a keyframe for offset at the start of your timeline, which is 0. Then, move your playhead to the point you want your animation to end. Then set the value to, let's say, 100%. This creates a basic animation where the text moves from left to right. Now, let's add the wave effect to it. Go back into Animator 1. Then open Advanced Settings. Inside Advanced, change the shape to Smooth. And there you have it, a dynamic text animation creating that mesmerizing wave effect. Experiment with different timings, offsets, and text to get the perfect look. Congratulations, you have now added some motion to your text. Remember to use the shape parameter inside Advanced to have the wave look you're aiming for.